Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to our program, Shia Studies. In previous session, we talked about the degrees of the unity of God, and today we want to talk about the very important and difficult issues, attributes of God. Why we say this issue and this subject is difficult? Because we as a humankind want to analyze all things according to the material world. What does it mean? Because we live in this material world, we touch all material things, then we analyze everything according to what we see, what we touch. Then sometimes when we want, for example, think and research about the attributes of God, we analyze the attributes of God according to this material world, and it leads us astray. Then we should be careful, and very, very careful, and we should use maximum caution about this. We are not allowed to compare the attributes of God with this material world, because we have limited mind, and by limited mind we cannot know all aspects of God and God's attributes. Anyway, by this introduction, we start talking about the attributes of God. We divide the attributes of God to two parts. First, positive attributes. What God possesses, what God has, the attributes that God has. And inshallah, in next episode, we talk about what God doesn't have. Positive attributes. First of all, al-ilm. God is all-knowing. God knows everything. Our knowledge is so limited, but Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has unlimited knowledge. Second, God is living, hayat. Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has an eternal and everlasting life. When we look at ourselves as a humankind, sometimes we exist, sometimes not. But Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has an everlasting life, has an eternal life. Qudra. Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala is all powerful. Allah can do everything without any obstacle, without any force. Vice versa, when we look at ourselves, no. We cannot do all things. Our power is so limited, but Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has an unlimited power. He can do everything. And Sadiq, it means God is honest. What Allah say is true. And if Allah promised something, it definitely will happen. If Allah promised something, promise about the future, if Allah tell us something about the hereafter, about the hell, about the heaven, and so forth, it will be surely and definitely happen. Sadiq. This is another attributes of God, or honesty. Then, what we talked about in this episode, what about the attributes of God, and we told that we should know this point. All the attributes and good attributes that we imagine, Allah has those. Only we mention some common and important attributes of God. All-knowing, all-powerful, and hayat, living of God, and we told that, eternal and everlasting life, and honesty. These are some common and important attributes for God. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.